Viewers, you're watching Kashmir News Bureau. I'm Kai Sadar. Here goes the top stories of the day. Youth shot dead in Srinagar. Police cites gang war. During late morning hours today, 25-year-old Miran Ali Pathan was shot at by unknown gunmen at Bulbul Lankar area of Nawakadal in central Kashmir's Srinagar district. Firing incident, he sustained critical injuries and was shifted to SMHS hospital for treatment, where he succumbed. An official, the firing was an act of gang war, which broke out between two groups, or let's say gangs, during which Miran was fired upon and killed. Police recovers abductee in Patan within 20 hours. Kidnapper absconding. A 17-year-old girl was allegedly kidnapped from her home in Patan. As per police, father of the teenage girl had lodged a written complaint at police post Pahalan, stating that her daughter has been kidnapped. Police swung into action and recovered the abductee from Patan area of district Baramulla within 20 hours. As per officials, it came to surface that the girl was kidnapped by a person identified as Bilal Ahmed Waza, resident of Palhalan Patan, who is still absconding. Overnight fire damages 5 residential houses, 2 sheds in Noorbag area of Srinagar. Late last night, a massive fire erupted in a congested Palpora locality of Noorbag area in the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. Officials said that the fire broke out from a single-story residential house in Pamposh colony of the locality during the intervening night of Monday and Tuesday. Fire tenders were rushed to the spot to douse off the flames. However, the fire had already spread to nearby structures before it was brought under control. Officials, 5 residential houses and 2 sheds were damaged in the fire incident. However, no loss of life or injury was reported.
मेरा नाम रेहाना है कि 2:30 बजे शॉर्ट सर्किट की वजह से यहाँ पीछे मकान 2-3 थे जो बिल्कुल लकड़ियों के बने हुए थे, उससे चलते चलते ये यहाँ तक आ गई। कम से कम 9-10 मकान यहाँ पे खाकसर हो गए हैं इस टाइम। जो भी घर में था सामान, एक्चुअली ये मेरे हस्बैंड सिक्योरिटी से वाबस्ता है, तो उनका कम से कम 60-70 हज़ार का उसमें यूनिफॉर्म थी, वो जल गई। मेरा 1.5 लाख का सोना था, जो जिस बेड पे हम सोए थे उससे हम एक चीज़ भी नहीं निकाल पाए।
Darbar Mu employees given time till 21st August to vacate accommodations. Government today extended the time period till 21st August for vacation of residential accommodation at Jammu and Srinagar by Darbar Mu employees. Viewers, last month the State's Department had cancelled allotment of residential accommodations of Darbar Mu employees in Jammu as well as Srinagar and asked them to vacate their accommodations within 21 days. However, the employees had complained that the time frame was not enough to complete the process. As per the new government order, the vacation time has been extended further by a period of 30 days with effect from the 20th of this month. Well, that's it for the day. For more stories, do visit our website kashmirnewsbureau.com, and for quick news, follow us on social media platforms. Goodbye.